Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to WeSupply. Let me show you how you can edit your SMS notifications. Simply head over to the WeSupply admin dashboard, click on Design, Notifications, and Edit Template of any notification that you have checked off to be sent for SMS. Click Edit Template. Here initially it's going to load the email template, but you can quickly switch over to SMS. As soon as you're here, you're going to see on the left hand side a long list of variables. So if here you would like to add another link, for example, back to the order, you can just simply hit space, search here for the correct variable, for example, order URL, click copy, and come here and click paste. Now that you have this variable, click save. And your SMS notification is already edited. You can always test by simply sending yourself a test SMS. Simply add your phone number, select the country prefix, and send yourself a text message. If everything looks good and you want to quickly switch to the next notification that you would like to edit, you can do so by clicking on the drop down here and selecting the next notification, or you can easily go back to notifications and select from here the next template. Either or would work, whatever you prefer. So let's make those SMS look cool and let's bring the customers back. Take care.